Today we are going to be making cloves infused oil. Cloves has a lot of benefits. Which one of it is better hair growth? Clove is the most common way to stimulate hair growth. Using clove oil to massage your scalp will help enhance blood circulation and secure oxygen supply to the root of your hair follicle. Cloves also help in getting rid of dandruff. Since clove oil is rich in beta carotene, it boosts the tissue under the scalp and heightens blood flow, thereby providing long-lasting moisture for your hair. It also helps in fighting scalp irritation, and it also heals scalp rashes. It can also help in controlling hair falls. Your hair will fall when the follicle turns weak and the scalp fails to reach its adequate nutrients. The use of clove oil for hair loss treatment have been proven to be used in treating delayed bleeding and also thinning hair. Add a little clove oil to your shampoo and it helps maintain moisture. Adding clove oil, a bit of clove oil to your bleeding or thinning parts will help your hair grow. So now we are going to start making our clove oil. The first thing I do is blend it. So I'm actually pounding this using a pestle and a mortar. So now the clove is in powdered form. Making it in powdered form helps the infusion to be faster and quicker. So the next thing we'll need is a glass jar with a cover, that's a lid. So we are going to transfer this powdered clove into this glass jar. The essence of using a glass jar is to prevent bacteria from growing inside. So the next thing we are going to do now is to add our olive oil. You can use coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great oil for infusion also. So likewise olive oil. Olive oil is also good for the hair. It also help in moisturizing the hair and also help in hair regrowth. So the whole thing put together gives a rich oil. So the next thing I'm just going to add is a little bit of rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf also enhances hair growth, prevents split ends, and also help regrowth of your edges. So this oil is just going to be the most rich oil you've seen ever. So I'm just going to shake this oil. The best thing to do for this oil is to let it infuse for a longer time. Instead of boiling it, just allow it to infuse on its own for a longer time. The longer you leave this oil, the stronger it will be. So if you are so impatient and you need it to infuse faster, you can boil your hot water, place the clove oil inside and cover it. You can do this once or twice or as much as possible, but I will prefer keeping it outside under a sunlight, not under a sunlight but close to where sunlight will touch it, and leave it for a longer period. The infusion is wonderful. So this is your clove oil. You don't need to sieve it or anything. Can just continue using it like this, but in case you don't like any particles or anything touching your scalp, you can sieve it and use, or I'll prefer you sieve a bit and use. So you can add this to your shampoo or you can add the oil to your shampoo and use. You can use it directly on your scalp, and you can also use the powder on in your shampoo and conditioner, and you can also use it on your deep conditioner. Bye guys, thank you for watching.